Hello there, welcome to JAZDRAFT Studio. In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you on how to make a double exposure effect in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's start it. Once Photoshop is open, drag the image to your workspace in Photoshop. By the way, I'm going to link these images in the description so you can practice this also. Now we are going to use the selection tool to select the girl. Make sure you select the girl. Select, click and hover over to the girl. Now we selected some area that we shouldn't include. Press Alt to minus the selection and Shift to add on the selection. So minus, press Alt, hold the Alt, okay, then also here, press Alt, press Shift to add this selection, press Alt, Shift, press. Now we are going to add a feather of 0.5. Also add this to the selection. Ctrl J to duplicate this layer for the selected image of the girl. Now we are going to make a background with a color of white. Rename it to girl and also background. Now we are going to soften the edge of the image of the girl by using the eraser tool with a smooth brush to look it better. Okay, click. Now we are going to drag this mountain picture to the new canvas or workspace and drag it to the picture of the girl. Then we are going to transform it, Ctrl T to transform and make it and resize it. Move it to the position or to the area which is the spot that is good looking or the spot that you prefer. Now press Ctrl, then left click on the girl layer, then click layer mask, then it will add a layer mask on the mountain layer. Okay, turn off that, go to image, adjustment, desaturate the picture of the girl. Now turn on the mountain layer, then duplicate the layer of the girl and move it at the top by dragging it and reduce the opacity to 50. Make and lighten the effect to and brush on this girl. Brush. You can right click to adjust the brush, or if you want to cancel, Ctrl Z. Brush on the girl, on the layer mask, to reveal some portion of the girl. It looks good now. Now we are going to adjust the background based on the color of the texture on the mountain, which is bluish kind of color. So pick the color that you prefer and reduce the opacity of the girl. Add a layer mask, then brush on the on the hair so that it reveals the mountain on the hair. Okay, brush. Brush it there, here also, on the edge of the hair. Zoom it so that we can see. Now choose an effect, say overlay, to put on the layer or light. Let's choose overlay and reduce the opacity. Select the picture. Let's say 50% opacity or 70. It's up to you on what you want. But for this, I'm just going to use 90%. Also select this layer to reveal more of the girl, part of the face of the girl. Zoom it. Okay, fit on the screen. Let's save it. I think it's okay now. Let's save the edited image and compare it to the before. This was the before and this is the after. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helps you. If you have suggestion or comment, write it on the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you click the bell button so that you will be notified for upcoming new video tutorial. And thank you for watching.